Imagine a country with no oil, no gold, and almost no natural resources, yet somehow it became one of the richest countries in the world. That country is Switzerland. So, how did a small nation surrounded by mountains build an economy that many larger countries still can't match? Was it because of secret bank accounts? Or is that just a popular myth? The real answer is far more surprising, and it has almost nothing to do with luck. More than 150 years ago, Switzerland faced a problem that could have held the country back forever. Instead of searching for wealth beneath the ground, the Swiss made a very different decision. That one decision changed the country's future and eventually turned Switzerland into an economic powerhouse. Let's discover the real story behind Switzerland's extraordinary wealth. Unlike many wealthy nations, Switzerland couldn't rely on oil, gas, or vast natural resources to grow its economy. Its mountains were beautiful, but they also made farming, transportation, and trade much more difficult. The Swiss realized they couldn't compete by having more resources, so they decided to become better. They invested in something every country can build: education, skills, and craftsmanship. Generation after generation, Swiss workers became known for precision, quality, and attention to detail. Soon, products carrying the label "Made in Switzerland" began earning trust around the world. People weren't just buying Swiss products, they were buying confidence, reliability, and excellence. That reputation helped Swiss businesses sell premium products at premium prices. And as the country's reputation grew, so did its economy. But this was only the beginning, because Switzerland was about to build an advantage that would make the entire world pay attention. Instead of trying to produce everything, Switzerland focused on doing a few things exceptionally well. Its watchmakers turned precision into an art, creating timepieces admired across the globe. Its scientists and engineers helped build world-class pharmaceutical and technology companies. Businesses like Roche, Novartis, and Nestlé showed that innovation could become a country's greatest export. But there was another reason. Global companies and wealthy investors looked toward Switzerland. For decades, the country earned a reputation for political stability, reliable laws, and economic confidence. When people trust a country's system, they're more willing to invest, build businesses, and protect their wealth there. Over time, that trust became one of Switzerland's most valuable assets, something no natural resource could ever replace. Switzerland didn't become rich because it had more than everyone else. It became rich because it learned how to create lasting value from what it already had. Switzerland's story teaches us that real wealth isn't always hidden beneath the ground. Sometimes a nation's greatest resource is the knowledge, skills, and discipline of its people. The Swiss proved that trust, innovation, and long-term thinking can be worth far more than gold or oil. So, the next time someone asks why Switzerland is one of the richest countries in the world, you'll know the real answer. Subscribe to Finance Logic, where we uncover the real stories behind money, wealth, business, and the world's most successful economies.